This is the first video of the series. We will be creating a dropshipping store through Shopify from scratch. In this first video we will be selecting a profitable niche and creating a business name. When selecting a niche we will do a little bit of research. I will share a few methods on how I find my niches and use them. We will then go to a website that will help us select a business name. We will first start by going to AliExpress. You can type that into your browser. Alright, now we are on the AliExpress homepage. It is important that you get to know this website. All of our products will be coming from this website. When selecting the niche, you need to make sure that there is products on this site that will support the niche. You can look through the homepage. Sometimes there are products that will give you an idea for a niche. I am going to start by looking through the categories. Click See All right next to Categories section. Alright, here are all the different categories that you can select from. You might have an idea in the back of your head, but if not, this is a great place to look. I am going to show you another place to look. Let's go back to the home page. Click on Trending Styles. Here are some different products that are trendy right now. Watches, that is a market that you can make a lot of money from. As you can see, there are tons of clothing products. You have to be very careful if you get into the clothing niche. In many cases, the sizing is Asian, so it will not be the same as the US sizing. This is a fake item, stay away. Briefcases, this product looks like it has potential. You could sell this on a site with products like wallets, belts, bags, or anything of that nature. Once again we see watches. It looks like we just have some more clothing and shoes. Shoes is another market you have to be careful with. Every shoe runs a different size, which could lead to returns. Another good place to look is through Google searches. You can open up a new tab. Type in Google Trends. Under Google Trends select Trends. This will bring up the top searches recently. You might be able to find a topic that can lead you to a good niche. It never hurts to check out this web page while selecting a niche. Many of these topics are irrelevant to what we want, but you never know. There are many other places you can look to find a niche, like Facebook or Instagram. Scroll through these apps and find out what people are interested in. Social media is a great place to find a niche. We can close out of that. We are back in AliExpress and I am going to go back up to the categories section and show you the niche I selected. I am going to select the computer and office category. I am going to focus on office supplies. I feel like this is a good niche because of the amount of products and the growing industry. There are always offices going up, and people need to fill them. You should select a different niche than me. Copying me is not a smart idea. If you decide to copy me, you will probably not have many sales at all because I will always be one step ahead of you. If you are having trouble selecting niche, feel free to email me and I can help you out. Computer mouses is a product you will probably see on my website. I found a supplier that has a lot of desk chairs, so you will see products like this. Alright, now that I have my niche figured out, it is time to select a name. I am going to type in business name generator. We can open this one up. Scroll down until we get to the search box. Because I am going to sell office supplies, I am going to type in supplies. If you are into a survival niche, then you would type in survival or whatever. Then click enter. You will get a list of different domains that are available. There are over 3,000 available domains available that are related to supplies. I use this tool every time I create a new website. I think supplies is too long of a word to have in a domain, so I think I am going to look to see if there are any names related to the word office. This is what I want, Office Strike. I am going to choose this for my domain for two main reasons. The first is how simple it is. Almost all of my customers will probably know how to spell office and strike. It is simple, and people will remember it. The second reason I am going to choose this is because it relates to my field. That is it for this video. Just to review, we went over selecting a niche and creating a name. Stay tuned for future videos. In the next we will be creating a logo. This is a very important video to watch. We will talk about why you should have a logo and what to avoid when creating a logo. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.